Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice using egg. Start with cold, cooked rice and 1 chilled egg to prevent sogginess. Break clumps and spread rice in the pan. Heat 1 tablespoon oil until shimmering, then add aromatics like chopped onion and minced garlic. Push rice to the side, scramble 1 egg in the cleared space, then fold everything together. Season with soy sauce, salt, and a splash of sesame oil to finish. Make sure all ingredients are prepped before cooking to keep the process quick and hot. Chop vegetables small, measure 2 cups cold cooked rice, and beat 1 egg in a bowl. Use day-old rice if possible because it fries better. Preheat your wok or pan until very hot, add 1 tablespoon oil, then stir-fry vegetables briefly before adding rice and egg. Finish with soy sauce and a pinch of white pepper. Quick recommendation: if you like fresh scents for your car, try Little Tree's black ice for a bold, clean aroma that lasts. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one. It's a small change that makes commuting nicer and more pleasant. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Control heat and movement to get the best texture in your fried rice. Use high heat and a roomy pan so rice fries instead of steams. Keep ingredients moving by tossing or stirring constantly and work in small batches if needed. When adding the beaten egg, make a space and let it set briefly before cutting and mixing to create soft curds. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.